Hello, welcome back to Satisfactory. In the previous episode I built all of this. I moved all of the factories onto this main area type thing, onto this big platform, and I made everything a lot more efficient and stuff. But I didn't really unlock much, so that's what I'm going to do. But first, I'm just gonna fix some things. First, that constructor is not even connected to anything. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is just to connect it to something. Now that is getting power, and now it should be making now it's going to be making concrete and stuff. And that's going to be good because I need a lot of concrete and stuff. And secondly, this looks really stupid having this pole. It's not even on the center, just slightly off to one side. So I'm actually going to remove that and just adding a few of these over here, and then connecting it up over there. Now everything is getting power and it looks a little bit less stupid. And the final thing is that you see these tiles, they're not lined up. Some are pointing in this direction, some are pointing in that direction. So I'm going to fix that as well. Okay, I'm back. I think I have now fixed up all of these foundations to all point in the same direction with these rectangles and stuff. But there might be a few more that I missed, like under machines and stuff. And it seems like my power grid has shut down, so I will now have to get some more biomass, which I can make, but only like a little bit. So I will need to get more biomass and stuff, and I don't think I have enough. Yeah, I don't have enough biomass to run my factory. So I will actually get one of these upgrades. I will get this upgrade because among other things it will give me a chainsaw which I can use to cut down the trees and bigger plants and turn them into biomass as well. But I will need a lot of things. One of the things I am currently making, but the other two I'm not, so I will need to make a few more factory pieces to do that. And to get the factory to work, I will need to collect more biomass for energy, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. I have now crafted up a lot of biomass and stuff, and also collected the plants. I collected the plants and I crafted up the biomass because I don't think you would like to see it. It's pretty boring, it's just hitting a button a bunch of times and stuff. And now I think I have enough biomass for everything to be working. And now what do I need? I will need concrete, cable, and screws. Okay, the first thing I want to work on is cable, but the problem is that I need to move this storage crate thing. There we go. Also remove this. Okay, now I will place down a conveyor splitter about over here. Connect these two up like this. Get the storage container. Place it right about over there so it's connected. Connect them up like that. And now I can put down a constructor over here like this and connect it up, set it to make cable, and then just remove this, put down this, connect that up again, we connect connect this up like this, and there we go. Now it's making cable. God damn it, I'm getting those mixed up a lot. And then I will put down a container over here, and now I will connect them up like this. And now all of the cable is going to go, yes, it's cable, it's going to go into this one. Now I will just need to do the same thing but with these rods. So I will just remove this, put down a conveyor splitter over here, like that, connect it up, put down a container over here, like that, connect it up, put in all of the rods, and now I will then put down another constructor, connect it up, set it to make screws, and put down another container, connect it up like that, and also it needs power. Just connect it up like that, and there we go. Now it's going to make a lot of screws. So now I will just need to wait a little bit for all the screws to be finished and stuff. Okay, I'm back. I have now gotten all of the things I need. I've got, so I will select the mission, just put all of these things into here and click the big button. Okay, now I got everything I need to make the chainsaw. It took less time than I expected and stuff. Okay. Now I have chainsaw and I can... It's chainsaw. Okay, so yes. Wait. What? Wait, what did I get? Got what? I got... How did I get limestone from a bush? So now I guess I am going to work on my other problems, which is that my copper production is really, really bad. Everything is really bad and really slow. So so I will need to remove all of this and then put it back. But first I will just place some foundations. So for the places I will start working on. Okay, I'm back. I have now made this little weird platform and stuff, and I got a good idea, a good-ish idea. So the thing I'm going to do is put a bunch of splitters down, and they will all be going feeding into this a new splitter, which will be connected to a new splitter like this. So this will be connected to this splitter, which will be connected to this splitter. The reason why is because if there's a bit too much copper for the system, I can just add another splitter that will be feeding into a smelter that will be feeding into a constructor, and I will also be using this conveyor lift. The reason why is because then I can get all of the ore off the ground without needing to make some sort of weird conveyor spiral thing, and now I will just connect this up like that, and now it will be mining and stuff. And now I will place down a few smelters like this. So a smelter over there, and a smelter over here, and over here, and over here. You get the I just need to line it up. There we go. Now I will just need to extend this platform and place more smelters and stuff on it, yeah. Okay, I'm back. I have hooked up all of these smelters or whatever into this big line, and I think I might have hooked up one too many, so I will just remove one of these over here like this, and there we go, and now hopefully it will be running more smoothly. Okay, I'm back. I have hooked up all of these smelters, all 4 of them. I removed another one to these constructors, because then the ingots will go somewhere and be turned into wire and stuff instead, and therefore I can see if they if it works or not, I guess. I think I accidentally made something less efficient than the previous one. Oh wait, no, I got a good idea, but I will need to remove all of this. I will get a conveyor splitter and place it over here as close to the smelter as I can get without it being yellow. Connect it up, getting 3 and placing them down like this in a row like this. And a cool trick, or not a cool trick, but a handy trick, if you look down this little hole, you can instantly see if one of the constructors not lined up. Now all of these will be going into these 3 constructors, and I will now need to place down a lot of these. And then I get 3 more constructors like this, and connect these up like this. Conveyor merger, put it down, make it make it face the correct direction this time, connect it up like this. There we go. Make this a little bit longer because I need the space for another one of these crates. I mean containers, not crates, it's a container. Put it as close as it can be. That's really close. And then connect it up. And now all of these will go into this container and stuff. And now, I guess I will need to remove all of these and stuff, so I will keep this one, but I will remove all of these splitters and all of this conveyor belt, except this one, because that's going to be the pure wire part, and just connect that up, remove this, and put a single smelter, again as close as it can get without it being yellow. Connect it up and then connect it up but with the wire, copper, you know the drill, the same thing I did over there, but without the extra bit. Okay, I've now made this main area thing, and now all of the wires going in here, it's basically the same thing, but without this extra row. And I'm just going to finish this area up. I'm just going to place these fine little foundation platform whatevers. I'm just going to place down like 1, maybe 2 biomass burners. Okay, just 1. And connect it up like this. And just put some stuff in here and stuff. And now my possible energy output is going up and stuff. But now I think it's time to unlock some things. Like this. And the biggest problem will probably be the screws. But I've been working for a long time, so I think I might have enough screws over here. Okay. I will just put in all of these resources and
milestone reached. The molecular analysis machine, referred to as the MAM, will allow R&D to provide new technologies, items, and buildings based on samples collected in the field.
Okay.
To ensure a greater chance of success during exploration, an upgraded tool belt has been provided, as well as an object scanner and beacons.
What's the MAM? Okay, that's the MAM. And I'm just going to get the things I need. There we go. What mission should I do now? Okay, yeah, this seems interesting. I get a lot of I get stuff, so I guess I will do this one. I need a lot of things that I have already gotten and stuff. So I will just go grab it and stuff. Okay, now I got all the things I need. I got all the cable, all the things I need, and oh, I need a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Now it's going to space. Okay, I got the assembler, which needs rotors, and I got the ability, and this thing, whatever it might be, and I got, that's about it. So I guess I will need to make some rotors. Okay, now I got all the things I need to place down the assembler, and the assembler takes 2 items or materials and turns it into one thing and stuff. So you know what? This feels like a good place to end off today's episode. I said I was going to unlock a lot of things, but I was working on this big copper factory thing for such a long time, and I feel really tired. But next episode I'm definitely going to play around and with these assemblers and stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single one of my videos. Okay, bye!